Hi YouTube. I did a video earlier, but my giant man hand was in the way, so I'm gonna try again. Um, which means I have to eat more, which I frankly don't mind. Um, it's fancier than earlier. Same things. I already started eating a little bit, cause yeah. So I have these pizza brioche thingies, pizza pockets, and this stuff over here. Um, yeah. Hmm. They're cheesier than I remember.
Do you feel afraid at home? It's unacceptable, this. You have the right to feel safe in your own home. Even if that's true, the responsibility for domestic violence always lies with the abuser, Liz. Never with the abused.
Mm.
You're wearing a long sleeve top. That's unusual for you. Are you still family? No. Does he force you sexually? Your counselor knows I'm not supposed to give advice. These people can.
Damn it.
He's out of prison for license. If I call the police, he'll go straight back to jail.
Listen, under the Domestic Violence Crime and Victims Act, charges can be brought against your husband without your permission. I can make the call. But it's important for you that you do it yourself. They can arrange a shelter until he's arrested. I'm offering you a lifeline. Take it. Can we talk? I'll come with you. It seems pretty blunt, Liz. I don't know if I would change Olsen's mind.
Why are you telling me?
I thought it might help. You're feeling totally guilty.
I'm not.
It's unclear whether Olsen knew or not. Nobody suspected anything. How was he honest with you?
Fine. We've been over this.
The text messages, picture images, breaching the cordon at a crime scene.
They don't surprise me. I read them all.
No way.
I don't think he was the type to accept it for what it was and move on. A sweet night.
What?
Nothing. That would have been a mistake.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry. Thank you. I'll do things so calmly, so efficiently.
Boss, all three victims are on professional websites, all have a detailed profile, all with professional portrait photograph. Maybe this is how he finds them. I mean, if the killers trawl on professional websites looking for victims, should we do the same to identify potential targets?
I'm not sure we can. If we do identify women who we think conform to the killer's type, what are we going to do?
Warn them.
But if we warn them, we have to protect them and our own resources. Hello?
Hi, the client seemed to be released back to the family. I'd like to do that.
When? Right, I'll meet you there.
Mrs. Shergold and I would like a word.
What?
No?
Home visiting can be very useful from a diagnostic point of view.
But it's in breach of department guidelines.
Seeing someone in their home environment can provide unexpected information about their psyche.
Paul,
Please. Paul, please.
Mrs. Shergold is in complete agreement with me over this matter. The protocols are in place to protect you as well as the clients. Simply cannot tolerate any further indiscipline. You can consider this an official warning. You'll be receiving a letter.
You'll be receiving a letter.
What?
What?
I'm sorry, I'm not following.
I'm sorry, I'm not following.
Are you taking this seriously?
Are you taking this seriously?
I don't understand.
Then let me explain. I've just done a good thing. A very good thing. And thanks to me, Liz Tyler can sleep safe tonight. You people should be congratulating me, not bleating on about petty rules and regulations.
Where is he hiding? Do you think? When you first attacked her? In here? Or from here? She's at the top of the stairs. He comes out fast, overpowers her. So he lifts her, carries her, struggling, into the bedroom. Gets her onto the bed. Lays her down. And he ties her to the bed frame. Her ligature marks suggest maybe here and there. You know, it's possible he was in here with her and had her tied up when there were patrol cops at the front door. I didn't know that. Yeah, the washing machine was over there. They were set to play messages as they came in. She might even have rapport.
This is PC Danny Farrington. I'm calling from the center. If you're there, please ignore. I was hoping to speak with you to follow up on the incident that occurred on Friday. Please ring the number I gave you to begin
Why
with.
this was it? Why professional women? What's he punishing them for? What will you tell your daughters in the future about how to stay safe?
Pretty much what I tell them now. Don't talk to strange women.
Strange men.
Amen.
Hey! Hey! You going home?
Yeah,
You left?
I'm okay walking.
Haven't you heard? Strangler in the crowd.
Are you going to protect me?
What's it like?
I've been face to face with someone who's killed over and over.
You think he killed more? I directed interviews. I didn't speak to him personally.
How do you interview someone like that?
But with Moon it was easy. He wanted to talk. Most of the time he seemed deranged. During his trial he had to be removed from the court for singing. He was an idiot. We had CCTV footage of him arriving at his block of flats with a nice new suitcase, clearly empty, and then leaving an hour later, dragging his film on the ground.
Moving a body.
What was left of it? The crime cuts from the freezer. When I was at DC, I spent years as a lead interviewer in Mukbang. And the techniques are pretty standard. You try and establish a rapport
With a cannibal.
well with anybody. You start with what you know, you present facts that you have at your disposal, and you take it from there.
I've been thinking a lot lately about a friend of mine.
Really? Why?
When she was a student, she was briefly with a guy who almost strangled her to death one night in bed
Where was this?
in Belfast
When?
8 or 9 years ago.
Did she report it to the police?
No, she didn't. She's married now and has children. I know she's never told her husband.
What's her name?
You walked me home in the dark. Streets wet from rain here far. We said goodbye at my door, and I knew then that life could be so much more. Rain brought me back to your door. You held me down on the floor. I saw the pain in your eyes, and I knew then that love would be mine, and I know.
It's just right.
From the tips of my fingers to the ring on my toe, I know. Yes, I know. That the love in my heart could
I meant to show you. Mother Levy's drawings.
Where did she get this paper?
What?
I was just wondering where she got the paper.
There's a baby at work. She's really poorly. Her mother, she's only 18 herself. But she's really devoted. A really good mother. It's really got to me.
I can tell. Come back to bed.
I guess she hears me talking about babies and mothers. I get upset the minute I get short with them. And then there's all the stuff in the papers at the moment.
She doesn't read the papers.
It's on the telly, on the radio.
Her teacher says it's just a stage. She doesn't just draw what she sees, she draws what she knows. She knows a pregnant lady has a baby in her tummy. That's all.
Nothing more worse. He hasn't got hold of the fact that they went back again on Sunday night. Farringdon has effectively been taken off uniform duties. Stone has been assigned to another team. It's because it's out there at last. I think they'll let one.
Would you like to explain that to the policing executive?
Well, is that your responsibility? You've got a uniform to deal with. I don't see this. Gibson?
Morgan, I'd hoped I'd run into you.
Sorry, sir. I have to go. It's been a development.
Take my car. Keep me up to speed. How long, Virgil? It won't take long, Morgan. I'm banking on your support today. The investigation into the murder of those three young women, Alice included, the murder of Michael Lockwood, James Olsen, the apparent suicide of Rob Breedlove, has stretched us very thin. It's a breaking point, in fact. I'm not sure I can give you that support, Jim. I speak to the chief counsel over there. The investigation into the murder of James Olsen has thrown out some very uncomfortable details. Uncomfortable, I think. Both of us. Like one of my officers being present in a hotel suite with your son and two of your German business colleagues on the night that Olsen was killed. A hotel suite where prostitutes were present, where serious Class A drugs were being consumed, and where a serious assault took place.
We'll continue to ventilate her and provide pain relief. But I think the time has come to let nature take its course. We will withdraw intensive care this morning.
How long will it take?
It's a matter of hours.
Will you stay with me?
Yes, of course.
It came with this morning's post, addressed to me. I opened it and Marion has touched it too. That's it.
Mary, would you read that out loud?
Without a word.
Of course.
Dear Mr. K, I saw your other daughter Marion named in the newspaper and was able to obtain her draft without permission. I
I also
also
saw that you had to identify your daughter's body. I'm sorry you had to do that. Please understand I would never have killed her if I had known she was pregnant. Babies are innocent, and I've always felt very protective of children. Part of me says, what's one less person on this earth? Part of me hopes I do not have to meet you face to face in this world or the next to explain. I took her driver's license from her blue wallet, and I've given it back. You won't see the cat again. Cats are evil creatures. One must have chaos in oneself to give birth to a dancing star.
I don't like doing two in one day. That's a lot. That's too much food. I ate most of it. Nothing but broth and a couple bites left. I left some fire. Yeah. Hope you guys have a lovely Saturday night. I am staying in and dealing with this food coma.